Okay, so we're gonna do a quick plow install. The Click&Go. I've seen it in action last winter. We're just gonna lift the RZR up and mount this mount plate on to the anchor plate. Nice having about a little tractor. You can lift everything right up and don't have to worry about jacks.
Shouldn't you kind of leave that there for security? Hey. Hey, lion man. The lion man. And this one's got the same kind of ski pants as the RZR. She's a lemon squeeze. Oh, can you reach the tools up there, Justin? Kate.
Well, we just need to mount our anchor plate to the base plate, and then we'll drop her down and clip the plow onto these two pins. And just give them a little snug manually. That's that. So this is your anchor plate that you want to put on, and you get the kit. It's a little bit of time consuming there, but then you want to take it off when you're going. I smashed that one already, so take this off before you're gonna get too crazy in the rocks and stuff. Well, that's a mount underneath. Now we can set her down and do a hookup.
Drive up there.
On this pin here, and you lift it up, and it will balance perfectly. Then we'll just slide it on them 2 anchor pins. Pads for your driveway, and to angle it, it's a quick step. That's how quick it is to angle the plow. Release it, you drop it down, step on these 2 back pads here, right here, and it releases from the things back there, and you're done if you want to go RZR or quad for the day.
And you only take your plate off in the summer?
Yeah, just take your plate off. I wanted to measure this plate plow. How long it is. Shut it off for a second. I'll get the measuring tape so you know how long this blade is. This is a 6-foot blade that I was plowing with last year. So it's pretty good size. I'm happy with it. We recommend it for purchase. And you can get all kinds of attachments for it. There's a bucket you can buy and all kinds of other little click-and-go things. So it's a good buy if you're looking at one. So I'm ready for winter now.
Not really.
Not really.
But you are. The RZR's ready.
Yeah. I always like to I put a cover over my winch, a little bag. I'll do that quick before we're done, just to keep the snow from flying up and freezing the cable. That can cause grief. It's the only thing I found. Now, most people have their winch behind their grill, but just in case, just throw a little bag over it. I'll do that quick and then we'll be done.
Uh-huh. Fixing our Jeep. Oh, you're building a track.
No.
Hey?
We're not building a track. No, we're not. See, we can go get inside it.
Mm-hmm. If Ryder went and hid in them bushes, you wouldn't be able to see him. Hey? Valerie's so bright you could see her going anywhere.
Wanna see?
Go see. Go crawl in the bushes. Just be careful where you're stepping.
But what happens if
Okay.
He's ready. Nana's ready. Nana! He's got a blanket.
Oh, wow. I don't know. Where's Ryder?
I don't know.
Wow, can anybody see him? Hey?
Ryder, we can't find you.
Valerie, get out of the way. Where's Ryder? Wow.
Ryder.
Oh,
Oh, I seen her rustle.
yeah. It must be a bird. Hey? Oh, something's coming into focus here.
Hello?
Hello? Huh?
And there's Valerie.
Yeah.
There's neon highlighter.
Huh? Let's see. Oh.
You can't fight me!
Oh, yeah, I see ya. Oh, what is this? Oh, what's this? Huh? Poke it, see if it's alive. See if it breathes. Oh, that's a Ryder. Wow, what good camouflage.